What's going on, you guys? Brandon here again with another install. Today we're going to be installing the coil packs for the 350Z. So I've been having the code PO300 for a while. That's for random cylinder misfires. I thought, oh, it's probably the spark plugs. So I changed the spark plugs already, and that seemed to fix the issue. The check engine light went away. It ran perfect for a few days, and then after long trips it starts misfiring again, and you could feel it. You know when a car's misfiring, it sounds all bad, the engine's shaking, and you just hear like pop, 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 like from the exhaust, and it's just, I mean, it sounds cool, it sounds like a Subi, but that's not a good thing for 350Zs. So we're gonna change the coil packs and see if that fixes anything. Let's get to it. So you have 3 on this side. Here's 1, 2, and 3. I know they're kind of hard to see. And then we have 3 more on this side. So to get to those, we're gonna have to take off the filter, strut bar, and some bolts to remove some of the wiring. After you remove the air intake, the cover, and the strut bar, they're a lot easier to access. You could actually see 1, 2, and the third one right here. Basically, this wire harness is kind of in the way. There's a few 10mm holding this thing in. Alright, so once you loosen the harness, look at that, really easy. Just move it out to the side and take this 10mm out, and the coil pack comes out. Just make sure when you put in the new coil pack to plug it into the correct sensor. Don't try to plug this coil pack to this sensor over here, because you're gonna start misfiring again. Okay, so far we have the 2 already, the 2 new ones here, and that third one is gonna be a little tricky to get to, but if you move the wiring harness, if you move it around, you'll find a spot to get it out. So there it is, all 3 new coil packs. Now all you have to do is bolt the harness back in. So onto the passenger side, it's gonna be the same thing. Remove these bolts from the harness so that you can have room to move it. You're also going to remove the hose for the PCV so you can get access to the coil packs right here. So yeah, just make sure you give yourself room to work with. You might have to remove a few more hoses and stuff just to get these out. So this side is definitely a little bit more challenging. Alright guys, just finished installing all 6 of the coil packs. It's a pretty easy install. It's just getting your way around the wiring harness and finding a way to get the coil packs out. Other than that, it's really simple. There is a couple things that do make this install difficult. For example, on one of the last coil packs on the passenger side, I knew that I stripped the threading where you put the bolt for the coil pack, and that's just kind of bad. I was able to tighten it down, but I feel like maybe it's not as tight as the other ones. If anyone knows how to rethread that, let me know in the comments or something. Always account for some BS like that to happen, because when you're working with cars, things like that tend to happen, so watch out for that. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for the video. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out. I'll catch you guys next time.